I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now, search and select Google Sheet. To get client ID in secret, please visit Google API Console. Now, search for Google Drive API. Click on Enable. Search for Google Sheet API. Click on Enable. Click on Credentials. Click on Create Credentials. Choose OAuth Client ID. Application type. Web application. Name. Bit Integrations. To get authorized redirect URI, go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and copy authorized redirect URI. Paste it here. Now, click on Create. Copy client ID. Paste it here. Copy client secret. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Choose your spreadsheet. Choose your worksheet. Now, map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Google Sheet. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now, let's go to our Google Sheet. As you can see, data successfully sent to Google Sheet. Thanks for watching.